Hey Mountain Kids, this is Rob Wade with a little more outdoor core for you, with a look on our many fallen leaves of the fall season. As we move into winter and we're still kind of waiting for snow to come in and cover up all of the fallen leaves, I find that a lot of mountain kids don't realize that not only are the obvious broadleaves, like this aspen leaf, a leaf, but so is this pine needle. This is another kind of leaf. So if you talk to botanists or scientists who work with and study plants, all of these are known as different leaf types. This is a needle-like leaf, and there's different shapes and sizes, and they have a whole lot of different words that they use to describe the different shapes and types of leaves. So when we look at all of the fall leaves on the ground, I don't want you to overlook all of the fall needle-like leaves, because in the fall time, all trees are shedding leaves. Now when it comes to the deciduous trees, these broadleaf deciduous trees, they will lose all of their leaves, like this aspen. So here's the aspen tree that came from, and as you can look at this aspen tree, sometimes there's still a stubborn leaf or two that are hanging on, but this particular aspen, there is not a single leaf left on this aspen tree. But right next to it are these paired ponderosa pine trees. And they lost a lot of needles this fall also. You can still see some of the other needles on the pine tree that have died, these brown ones, and these just haven't fallen quite yet, but in the next snow or windstorm they probably will. All of these brown needles are done. They've made the food, they've helped the tree to grow and survive. And they tend to be on the tree for 2 to 3 years. That's how long these needles hang on the tree. But then you'll notice we got all these other green needles. And that's why we call our conifer trees, our cone-bearing trees, evergreens, because they're evergreen. But I just want you to be clear that not every needle is evergreen. They start out green and they last for several years, and then just like every other leaf, they will eventually die and fall and cover the ground in a nice carpet of fallen leaves. So just a little exploration. I would like you to go and walk around your yard where you live and look at the different trees. Notice which ones are evergreen that are still losing some of their needle-like leaves that are evergreen, and which ones are deciduous that are letting go of their broad leaves as they go along. So anyway, there's lots of different kinds of trees and shrubs in our area. Some are native, some that we've planted, especially at your house. So I want you to go out and do a little exploration and look at all the different trees and all the different leaves that have fallen off of those plants. And just don't forget to also look at the needles. All right, take good care.